Adjectives with prepositions. From. Absent. Have you ever been absent from an important event? Derived. Where is braveness derived from? Different. Do you feel different from your friends in any way? Distant. Have you ever felt distant from your family? Free. Is there anything bad you wish you were free from? Safe. What should society be kept safe from? Separate. Do you like to keep your work life separate from your personal life? Removed. Have you ever felt removed from a situation you cared about? Protected. Do you feel protected from harm in your daily life? Visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more grammar lessons.